Hi. Thanks for joining us for the tutorial 5 of SmartMaker basic function. In the last video, we've created the database table in Add Restaurant screen and tested the screen's various functions in run mode. At the end of the last tutorial, you were asked to enter 3 or more restaurants information to Add Restaurant screen. In today's tutorial, we will create a new screen for searching the data you have added and displaying the data in a chart format. Before we begin, let's go to Operating Environment from Settings menu to confirm our default execution path is set to My Favorites. If it isn't, click Browse button to select the folder as the default execution path. The default execution path is used for operating the screens, so it is important to confirm the correct path in the beginning of the process. Then, to connect to the server, select Connect Server from File menu at the top. In the login window, leave the ID as the default value, enter the default password 1, and click Connect button. Now, to create the new screen, select Blank Form from New menu at the top. To set background image of the new screen, right-click the part of the screen with no atom, open Program Properties, and check Background Image. Click Browse button. Then select and open Search Background PNG file from Images folder located in My Favorites folder. Change the display to fit and close the window. From Data Search Tools on the left, select Search Table Atom and place it on the screen. Adjust the size to display multiple data. The data retrieved from the database will be displayed in Search Table Atom in a list format. To specify the items to be displayed in the search table, let's configure the display fields. Right-click the search table atom, open Data Properties, and select the DB table name. Now, from Add Restaurants table, select the field names to display on the search table. Select the names of the fields you want to include in the search table and click Add button. We will add registration number, restaurant name, menu, and price. As you can see, the added fields are displayed on the search table. Another way to set your search table is to just simply drag and drop the fields from DB Manager. From the top toolbar, select DB Manager from DB menu. Open DevDB option from the left pane, and select Add Restaurant Table. All the fields included in Add Restaurant Table are displayed. From DB Manager, drag and drop the fields you want to the search table. DB Manager is a GUI-based database management tool unique to SmartMaker. You can learn more about DB Manager and other powerful tools in SmartMaker in the later tutorials. Now, let's create an event button so users can click to display the data to the search table. Select an event button atom from Event Setup Tools on the left and place it on the screen. Right-click the atom, open Style Properties, and select Search from Select Event drop-down list. Click Switch to Run Mode button on the top left, and click Search button. Complete data from Add Restaurants table are displayed in the search table. However, retrieving the complete data from the database at once would be inefficient, and the user will have to find the required information from the huge list of data. Now let's create the ability to only retrieve the specific data required. Select Search Condition atom from Data Search Tools on the left, place it on the screen, right-click and select Data Properties. Select Table Name as Add Restaurants Table. Now select and add fields to specify the items you want to search. In this case, we will add Restaurant Name and Menu to specify the search condition. Let's test the screen. Click Switch to Run Mode icon at the top left and click the Search button. The system will search the complete data in the Add Restaurants table and display it in the search table. Now, right-click on the search condition atom, you will see Restaurant Name and Menu items as search condition. To search by menu, click the menu, type Burger and press Search button. You can see that only Burger menu is searched and displayed in the search table. To search by other conditions, right-click Search Condition atom and click Menu item to cancel the current search condition. On a smartphone, instead of right-clicking, you can press the search items. Now let's try out one more function. In addition to viewing the search results in text or numeric format, we can add a function to view and analyze the data in charts. Click Switch to Run Mode icon to toggle back to Edit mode, then select Event button Atom from Event Setup Tools on the left and place it on the screen. Right-click on the atom, open Style Properties, and select Link Chart from Select Event List. To configure the chart style, right-click Link Chart Event button and select Chart Options from the drop-down menu. The reference atom name specifies the atom from which to import data. Let's select Search Table as our reference atom name. Item title designates X-axis and Y-axis. Select Item Title as Menu and leave Axis unchanged as X-axis. Click the Add button and you will see that the menu is assigned to the X-axis item. Next, select Item Title as Price and Axis as Y-axis. Function applies various statistical functions to the items, so that the chart can display not only the data values but also the analyzed values such as sums, frequencies, and average values. For our example, let's leave function unchanged as data. This completes all the settings for the chart function. To check the chart function, click the Switch to Run mode. And if you click the Search button to search the data and click Link Chart button, you can see that the chart is drawn according to our conditions. You can check the various charts types by using the chart types. On a smartphone, you can tap the screen twice to use the function. So far, we have practiced applying search conditions and displaying a chart by using Search Condition Atom. Finally, let's add a full info button to view the specific data selected by the user in the search table. Select Event button Atom from the Event Setting tool on the left and place it on the screen. Right-click the atom, open Style Properties and choose Full Form from the Select Event list. When you select Full Form option, Link Style heading will appear below. Let's select Search Table. To identify individual data in the search table, we will use registration number. To do so, let's go back to Search Table Atom, right-click and select Data Properties. The fields that were previously specified as items in the search table will appear at the bottom. Click Registration Number from the list, select the reference key, and press Edit button to save the edited configuration. For the last setup, right-click Full Form Event button and select Add Restaurants QPM in Link Form menu. Now, we have completed the configuration for connecting screens so users can view full form of the selected data. To check full form function, switch to Run mode and press Search button to load all data. In the search table, select the row you want to view full information and click Full Info button. The linked screen with full information will appear in a new window. Now, let's design an event button. First, right-click the Search button and open Style Properties. Click Browse on default and open Search PNG file in Images folder, which is a subfolder of the My Favorites folder. Close the window, press F2 to make edit state and delete the search text of the button. In the same way, the full info is set as Full Info PNG and View Chart as View Chart PNG files. We have completed creating search and display screen. Now, click Save Model icon or select Save Model on File menu at the top. Save the model as Find Restaurants in My Favorites folder, the default execution path. In this video, we have created a new screen for searching and displaying data. In the next video, we will connect all the screens we have created and create the home screen for our application. Thanks for watching.